Hello students, today we are going to discuss consequences of deforestation. Means what are the result of deforestation. So first of all is global warming. So what is global warming? Increasing the temperature of all around earth due to trapping of CO2, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, or you can say that um, increasing the level of CO2, carbon dioxide in our atmosphere cause global warming, and this is caused due to deforestation or cutting of plants. Second one is change in climate. If we cut the trees, then there are changes in our climate, means wind speed, temperature and amount of rainfall, that cause change in our climate. And third one is desertification. So what is desertification? Change the fertile layer in the desert, मीन्स जो फर्टाइल सॉयल होता है, लेयर होती है अर्थ की, उसका डेजर्ट में चेंज हो जाना इज़ नॉन एज डेजर्टिफिकेशन. एंड हाउ कैन इट पॉसिबल? It is occur due to deforestation. The main cause is deforestation. जो felling of tree cause changes in the soil. The water level है, जो water table है, get lowered, and the water holding capacity of soil get reduced. जो ड्राई टॉप सॉइल है वो रिमूव हो जाती है. जैसे हम प्लांट कट करेंगे तो सॉइल क्या हो जाएगा, लूज हो जाएगा, एंड इट बिकम run away, or you can say move away with the help of water or winds, strong winds, and it make the soil less fertile, or you can say this process is known as soil erosion. And repeated soil erosion can cause desertification. Clear है? Next one is drought. Drought is the condition when there is no rain for long time, or you can say for few months to few year, and it can disturb our water cycle and water table also, and this is caused due to deforestation. And fifth one is soil erosion and floods. Soil erosion, as I told you, in desertification, what is soil erosion? Removing of topsoil with the help of, you can say that, heavy rainfall or wind, strong winds. This is known as soil erosion. Or cutting of the topsoil with the help of or by floods and strong winds is known as soil erosion. And flood is caused due to heavy rainfall for long times, and this also caused due to deforestation, because plant absorb most of the water and seeps down in the under the ground to rise the level of water table, and does not allow the water to flow on the surface, and this prevent us from flood. And if we cut the trees or deforest, then what will happen? Floods can occur. Sixth one is loss of wildlife. As you know very well that forests are the habitat for wildlife. If we cut the forest, then wild animals lose their habitat, and if they lose their habitat, they can lose their life also. Seventh, last one is loss of resources. As we know that forests are the most important natural resource for our life and for our environment. So if we cut the plants, then we lost our many important resources. For example, you can say that medicines and wood and timber and oil and spices and all, and wild animals also. एंड सॉयल इरोजन, सॉइल फर्टिलिटी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी सॉइल इरोजन की वजह से, सो नो वेजिटेशन कैन ग्रो, सो वी कैन लॉस मैनी रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो. So this is all about from my side for today. We will meet in next topic. Okay, see you.